Doll, please.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm opening a bag of shoes. This is from an Etsy shop called Island Frog Dolls, and they are custom canvas shoes, similar to the ones Chitose is wearing right now, except they're solid color and hand painted. They're custom shoes. Right now they are $20 a pair, and I was able to pick the color and then asked for the contents to be of the thing to be painted on the shoes. I haven't seen these yet, so I'm very excited. They're all video game related. The first pair, red. Okay, I am a big fan of Fallout, and one of the themes throughout the Fallout games is Nuka-Cola. It's a fake, like, Coca-Cola company, basically. These look absolutely amazing. So it's a little red shoe. Like I said, I was able to pick the color. And the person who owns the shop did say, like, do you have any, like, idea of what you want on them? So I did send a couple pictures. This, like, look at the detail of the little bottle. I don't think I need to hold my hand for an iPhone camera, do I? I don't know. Look at how cute that is, and it says Nuka-Cola on the other side. The next one. So, I play Overwatch. I'm a fan of Overwatch. I want to order Cinnamon Prowess and turn her into Diva. I have my Diva headset right here that I've been painting, and I also found the full bodysuit. Somebody helped me find it on Facebook. And now I have shoes. They are little pink shoes with the Diva. I'm trying to make it so you can see these better. The little Diva logo on the bottom, and then it says "Nerf this" on the other side. You guys, these are so good. The next pair. Oh my god. I have no words. I have no words. I am obsessed with Fortnite. As you can see, my Fortnite, all my figures back there. I have more figures here. These are books, the cases for the games, Fortnite comic books. Obsessed. These. This is the Fortnite logo. And on the other side, it's a llama. Guys, the detail on this. Am I improving the quality of the video by doing this? Well, no, I can't even see it. Oh my god, I just want it. Whatever, there's a llama. And it's adorable. These shoes, I am so impressed. These are amazing. Last pair. Okay, these are ones that my boyfriend ordered. He plays a lot of a video game called Dead by Daylight. So the logo for Dead by Daylight is this. It's like the 5, but it's like skulls with the things coming down. And then in the game, there's these totems that you have to destroy, which are like these little skeletons. And look at that. They are amazing. This is so tiny to be able to do the details that they did on these. Like the shading on this bottle, the highlights, and then like even the highlights on the words. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for making these. I will be ordering many more in the future. The link to the shop is down below. Please check them out. For 20 bucks, these one-of-a-kind shoes, perfection. Perfection. I love them so much. Thank you for watching, and we'll do a little video of the shoes on the dolls. Bye.